Very good morning to all of you. So welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I will be telling some interesting fact that you haven't know. Every fact that you ever wanted to know. So let's start. So today's video will be consisting on how old is the universe is. The universe is everything we can see and a lot that we can't see. The universe is about 13.7 billion years old. At its beginning, it looked nothing like it does today. Yet everything in today's universe did exist in some from back then. It all started with the Big Bang, a kind of explosion that would not only go on to produce all the matters in the universe, but also mark the start of time. So, some fast facts are creation of the universe. So how the creation of the universe happened? The first fact is, at the start, the universe was a lot and dense ball of radiation energy. Second, in 1,000th of a second, tiny radiation particle produced tiny particles of matter. These combined to form the first ever chemical elements, hydrogen and helium. Third one is, some regions of the young universe contain slightly more hydrogen and helium than others. These shrank to form the stars first. Fourth fact is, nuclear reaction inside the star produced many other chemical elements including carbon and oxygen. Fifth one is, the elements in the universe today were produced from elements created in the Big Bang. So, if we wanted to create the universe, how to? So, there are some steps. First is, start time with a Big Bang, a massive explosion that lasts for less than 1 trillion of a second that will create tiny particles of radiation smaller than the size of a full stop. Second step is, wait 3,80,000 years for the first atom to form a mix that is 76% hydrogen and 24% helium. Third step is, after 1 billion years, check that the first star have formed and there are dwarf galaxies throughout the universe. Fourth step is, when the universe is 3 billion years old, merge a small galaxy to form massive ones. And fifth step is, when 9 million years old, form our solar system in the Milky Way galaxy, and hence we created the universe. Fact about Big Bang, that it was coined by Fred Hoyle in 1950 to illustrate to his radio listener the difference between it and his own theory, steady state, where the universe has no beginning. You will be amazed on this fact. So stay concentration and listen. In the first trillionth of a second of its creation, the temperature of the universe was 10 billion trillion degrees Celsius. It's kind of hot stuff. Another interesting fact is that the universe is expanding by about 70 kilometers, that is 43 miles every second. What if we look back to the past? So first fact about the past is, we see objects in space because of their light. Stars produce their own but others, such as moon and planets shine by reflecting light. Second is, light travels at 2,99,800 km per second, that is 1,86,287 miles per second, faster than anything else. Third is, distant stars are seen as they were in the past when the light left them. Fourth and the last one is, the most distant galaxies we see are about 13 million light years away and as they were in the early universe. Now talking about the size, how bigger and bigger the things are. When we talk about the planets, Earth may feel big to us, but at 12,756 kilometers, that is 7,926 miles across. It is just a speck in an expanding universe. Talking about the stars, planets orbit stars. As we all know, our star is the sun. Without it, there would be no life. It measures 1.4 million kilometers, that is 8,70,000 miles across. Now coming up to galaxies. Star exists in galaxies, cosmos star system that come in a range of sizes and shapes. Earth is the Milky Way galaxies. Now what are the clusters? Galaxies exist in clusters. The Milky Way galaxy is in the local group cluster stretching 10 million light years across. Now comes superclusters. Galaxy cluster or within superclusters, we are in the Vigorous supercluster, 200 million light years from one side to the another. Now at the last come voids. The largest structure in the universe are chain of superclusters that are separated by huge empty voids. So this was all for today. I will be coming up with another interesting facts or videos. So stay tuned with us. Do subscribe, hit the like button and hit the bell icon for the latest updates, and make sure share this channel and the videos to make your and others'